Hello, good morning all. Now we are going to do practical of logic gates. For this I have downloaded, we are going to use this logic gate simulator. So I am running this application. We are very thankful to the developer of this app. Now how to do this experiment that I am explaining you. What you have to do, you just have to make the circuits here and you have to save it, and write up will be available to you that I have already shared with you. Fine. Now here what we have to do, here you can see this plus sign. So when you press this plus 1, you will get the file name. So here I am giving file name, this is experiment 1, and extension is .lgs, this extension. By this extension your file will be saved, so just tick mark here. Now this plus sign you press, you will get the option here, logic gates. So logic gate I am just putting. Now I am doing the first experiment with AND gate, so this AND gate will be put here, so I am putting it over here. So now I want, this is 2 input, so 2 inputs we want. So I am taking, one is toggle switch here, so one switch here, then one more input, that is toggle switch. I am keeping it here. This is just we are just dragging and locating it wherever we wish. Now I want to check the output, so I am taking one output, that is green lamp I am taking. So this lamp will be the output here. See, this is the symbol of AND gate. You can see this. The symbol of AND gate is like this. This is 2 input, 1 output. Now what is the logical condition AND gate in this? AND gate is when the both inputs are at logic 1, that is high, logic high, then your output will be high. If any one here, any one input is 0, your output will be 0. It means this is 2 input, so how many possible combinations we can have in binary case? 2 raised to 2, 4 possible combinations we can have. That is when both inputs are 0 0, this is 0, this is 0. So here we can give, let us say, name. So I am writing label 1 is, let us say, input A. So input A. This label I am giving here, this is input A, plus another I am putting this text label, input B, input B. So this I am giving here. We are making the connections now. I am adjusting it here. So now how to give input? You just have to press long, then this red dot will come, this red dot, and just locate the where you want to connect. You can see this red line. Now the same thing I am doing with all these things. Fine. Now this triangle, you can see this is play button, just press this play button. Now we have to make these combinations. Fine. So when both are 0 0, this is the first condition. When both are 0 0, my LED is not glowing, it means my output is 0. So AND gate here, AND gate, what I told you, when we want both the inputs should be at logic 1, then and then only my output will be high. So now I am changing this condition, input conditions, when this initially this both are 0 0. Now I am keeping this input A is 0, input B is 1, still my output is 0. So this is the second case. Now the third case will be input B is 0, A is 1, still my output is 0. Now my both the inputs are logic 1. So this was already 1, Now I am making this is 1. See, my LED is glowing, it means my output is high. Okay, so this is the case of a logic AND gate. Fine. So now we are pausing this. So just pause this. Now we'll do the another experiment, that is we will do this experiment with logic, that is OR gate. So this is the symbol of OR gate. OR gate. Again we'll do the same thing. We need two inputs, that is toggle switches only I am taking. I want output. I am taking yellow LED. Now I am connecting this red dot has come. Fine. Now we'll change this. What is this OR gate? OR means my output will be 1 when any input is 1. Any one input is 1. Again, this is two input OR gate. So you can see even in English also, in general English, we say that OR condition. Either or means any one will be of, in order to have output 1, any one input should be 1. So initially when both are 1, see, first we have to save this. I am saving this. Now run this. Now see, this is 0 0, output is 0. Now this is 1 0, output is 1. Then I am making this is 0, this is 1, my output is 1. When both are 1, this is 1. Okay. So here we will give the input. Let's stop this. So like this we have seen AND gate and OR gate.